Well, see you next week, Joe. Don't have a nice time. Have a day at work. See you at the work, Joe. Thank you very much for keeping me around with BS. Thank you, Joe. Bye-bye.
Stop slamming the door. Damn.
They say you a superstar now, damn. I guess I am. You might be the man, well, that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay, cool, you want sunset? I'm about to slide, okay. I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides. Except for the lack of time I get around my family. Making sure they never downsize. I got visions of my mom saying, can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on the bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, yeah, that sounds fine. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her.
From the movie.
And it's time for the movie game
106.5.
Yeah.
Absolutely not, Kevin. I'm giving him his stage.
Thank you, Katie. Kevin, how dare you?
I'm so sorry. So rude on a Friday.
Let's kick off the no-name movie game with the formidable team known as Max and Kevin. Good morning, Max. How are you?
Morning, how you doing?
Good. All right. You sound downtrodden.
Yeah.
What's wrong, Max?
What happened? What?
You just sounded sad.
Oh no, I was sad because I thought I wasn't going to be able to play today.
Oh. Kevin, are you ready?
Yes.
Sad Max, are you ready? Sad Max, the sequel to Mad Max. And go.
This is the opposite side of east.
West.
Yes, and they like snap fingers. Okay, like a buck. It's a buck. Another word for like a buck. You know, this is okay. The pool has two different ends, like a deep end and a shallow. Yes. Okay, and then this is like a name, a nickname. Shallow. Yes. Wow. Okay, this is about like a merman that turns into a boy. Good. Yes. Oh my God. Okay. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian. Ocean. Okay.
Oh wow! Listen, that was terrible, not because of you, Max.
No.
That was definitely.
How do you not know West Side Story?
How do you not know what?
They snap.
That's the only thing you know. I don't think so. Max, I'm really impressed you got Luca based off of that clue.
What did you say?
A merman that turns into a real boy.
Is that not true?
I know it is true. It is.
I don't think he's a mermaid, but
He's like a sea monster, I think.
Yeah.
All right, let's talk to Nikki. Good morning, Nikki.
Hi.
All right.
Good morning, Nikki.
45 seconds on the clock. You're playing with Katie.
I'm such a big fan of you, Katie.
All right, let's see if that.
I'm excited to be talking to you on the radio.
Oh, this is fun. All right, Nikki. She's just a person just like you, okay? Don't don't be intimidated.
Just kidding, I'm a huge star.
45 seconds on the clock and go.
Okay, this is like superhero stuff. He's a man, but then he gets so mad he turns green. Yes, yes, okay. This is girls that work at a bar and they get up and they dance on the bar. They wear short skirts.
What?
Okay, pass. Pass. The opposite of light.
Dark?
Yes, and then
The Dark Knight?
no, like a blank. I rise from the ashes. Put them together.
She did,
Okay,
too.
okay. He shoots webs from his hands.
From his hand?
No, from his hands.
And then the Spider-Man.
Yes, okay, but then what is the name of the like?
Oh, man.
Yeah, started.
Technically from his wrist.
It was that one, the dancing on the bar, Coyote Ugly.
Coyote
And
Ugly.
Spider-Man No Way Home.
That's a tough one. Nikki, listen. I love Katie despite that terrible performance.
I'm mostly devastated.
No, I understand. I assume your opinion of me has changed dramatically.
Oh, Nikki, thank you so much. That was her first time calling the show. I love that.
How many did
You got two.
Okay, so
All right, and now
those two?
let's talk to Amber. Good morning, Amber.
Good morning.
All right, here we go. And I've got 45 seconds on the clock.
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. Now, the first rule of this is we don't talk about this.
Fight Club.
Yes. Finish this. Blank and found.
Lost and found.
Okay, so that first.
Translation.
No. The first word, and then Sacramento, LA, New York, Chicago.
Lost City.
Yes.
Wow,
Okay. This is the movie about the two tennis players that are sisters and their dad. The
The Williams.
opposite of Queen.
King Richard.
Yes.
Damn
We
it.
just won.
Damn it.
Oh my God, that was incredible, Amber. Wow, very impressive showing. Thank you so much for knowing movies.
You're welcome.
Okay, Matt's already hung up, by the way. He's that ashamed of you. The No Name Movie Game coming up next on the Wake Up Call. There is an emotion that we feel that we had to make a name up for because most people don't even believe that it's real. People just think it's an excuse to be mean, but I've got scientific data that proves it is real. And we are going to get into this next on the Wake Up Call. What is it? I'll tell you. You've probably felt it before. Morning, Sacramento. It's going up to 93 degrees today. Here's Harry.
Holding me back, gravity's holding me